5 tips for creating a social media strategy. Before we start, I would like to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to e-commerce know-how. 1. Model successful social media strategies. There is no single template for success with a social media strategy. Otherwise, every company and individual would be following it. To get a better idea of what works for you, you'll need to model social media strategies that have proven successful. One of the best ways to do this is to look at other people and brands that your core audience enjoys. If you have a skincare business, look at what people involved in skincare are doing to be successful. If you're offering a new book, check out what other self-improvement writers do to reach their audience. Take a step back and look at your social media approach from the consumer's perspective. See things through their eyes and determine if your content is good enough to attract, engage, and delight them. Otherwise, you'll need to revise your plan. Don't be afraid to test new approaches or try new things. 2. Build a relationship with your customers. One advantage social media gives is that it allows you to establish and build a unique relationship with your customers. Building this rapport means telling them more about yourself and how you can help them. As demonstrated with MLMs, customers want to buy from people and brands they trust, which is why this strategy is so effective. To build relationships, you must start by offering something of value first. If a customer likes what you've given, they'll want to return the favor. Think of it like you've been mowing a neighbor's lawn for free every week. Eventually, they'll likely want to start paying you for it. A successful social media strategy provides an authentic personal connection. Just look at Sean and Andrew East's social media presence. They share vulnerability and inspiring stories to connect with people. Once that connection is made, people are more willing to pay attention to the products they advertise. 3. Take people from point A to point B. Getting customers to start on a journey is one thing. Getting them to travel from point A to point B is even more challenging. This is part of the engaging process where you lead them to a better destination than where they started from. Think of this process visually by creating a board. On the left side of this board, you'll identify who your core audience is. On the right side, you identify what type of person they want to become. That is the journey you need to lead them on. The content you create to get them there should be part of your social media planning. One of the best ways to see this in action is through diet and exercise plans promoted on social media channels. There is real value in taking people on a journey from where they are now to becoming healthier. 4. Specify what your channel is for. What is your social media channel for? Did you create it to get tons of likes and views? Do you want to promote brands or sell product? Answering these questions helps you with your social media strategy since you'll know what to focus on. Let's say you have a channel where you want to promote a brand. From that viewpoint, you want to drive as much traffic as possible to your channel. In this case, it's all about the volume. Get more volume and you'll see more profit. No matter the reason for your channel's existence, be upfront about it. Don't pretend to be one thing but secretly be focused on something else. Everything must be in alignment with who you are and what you're trying to accomplish. People can spot when someone is being phony from miles away. 5. Be vulnerable and gain trust. Let's return to the importance of gaining trust. Without people who trust you, you don't have an audience. Gaining that trust requires you to put yourself out there. Show a side that demonstrates your vulnerability. In much of social media, so many people act like they live the perfect life. As part of your social media marketing strategy, you need to show you're human. Much of this trust starts with sharing your own struggles. For instance, Dr. Natalie Enderberg has gained attention as the PCOS doctor, or polycystic ovarian syndrome. By sharing her story and knowledge of PCOS, she helps women with similar problems to find solutions. By showing vulnerability, Dr. Enderberg makes it easier for others to trust her. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.